Hi friends, this is sharing with you. I'm making the potato bhaji for the dosa. See, I've got all my potatoes here and I put a little bit of turmeric, some salt and turmeric. You can put chaat masala. And I've also got all my chilies cut. See, you have to do all this prior, yeah? Chilies and jeera and the tikka masala and my ginger garlic paste is here, a little bit of ginger. And here I've got my mixed masala like cumin, coriander, sauce, not too much. And it's very nice smelling, and because I roast all the masala when I keep it at home. So you like to put any other spice that you like, you can put it, yeah? I don't use tomato, so I use lime juice for my trees. So you will use lime juice, yeah? So I'm putting this masala now. The oil is very hot, so I'll make the oil slow, yeah? Now I just give one stir, yeah? And I put the flashing now. Splashing, yeah. Now it's the tikka masala. So just have to fry the onion well, the smell goes, and then I will put in this masala, yeah. So it's very nice actually. So I put some jeera, sauce, dhania, roasted dhania. What other masala you like in your thing, you can always add, yeah? So I'll put this little bit of my masala. So I put that on the masala, yeah? So that get it ready according to how much you have, yeah? So you don't have to fry it too much, yeah? So now I'll put this. Put all these potatoes. So I've done six potatoes, yeah? So I'll share with you now, then I'll make the dosa as well. So it's very easy. Now I just do this. Check for salt. See how nice the colors come. See, so it comes so nice. So you have to check, yeah. So just come like you get in the hotel. I put the turmeric, but I didn't put too much of it. So you always have to check for salt and all. Yeah, some of it you can smash. So all you just put is salt. Just take some more. Taste. Some really nice. Very nice stuff. Very spicy. Put the bottles here. I put this because I don't like anything falling on my oil splashing, so I cover it up like this. Because I got my roasted spices here. Yeah? So cover it up. See friends, I'll share with you. I'll show you. See how nice this comes. Here. Yeah, when the bhaji has come so nice, so you can do like this. It's just like, they don't give like this in the hotel or so, because they give the masala dosa with rubbish, all that liquid, but if you get puri bhaji, you can have this like puri bhaji. So you can have this puri, and I made some sambar also at the side. Yesterday I shared with you, right? So you don't have to do, if you boil the potatoes, you can always keep it in the fridge for a couple of days, yeah? So you don't have to do it on the spot or something like that. There's no hard and fast rules, but don't leave it for longer than that, yeah? I'm just sharing it with you. I've got everything, the steak and all. I've got no time to cook up things. So I just check for salt. So, little bit of lime juice I put. Don't overpower anything. Some marinade, but I didn't get coriander. I'd forgotten, so you need to put coriander, but I didn't get. So I'll just keep it now. It's already cooked actually. So I'll just keep it now for 5 minutes and close it. Yeah. It's all done so fast. The bhaji is done also. Yeah. So now everything is splashed here. I'll take it out. You can get one of these pans are good because all comes out from the glass. So you don't have all that stuff. Put in it. So now I just give it a little bit till it's warm. That's okay. So I'll wait for wash. You can taste for salt and all. You need any salt? Some salt. Little less. I always put less salt in the food. So you can always put up, but don't put extra salt. I just taste again and see. So I don't smash the potatoes. I just cut it in small cubes. So the masala goes everywhere. You can put chaat masala. If you like chaat masala, put chaat masala. Just taste for salt in it. So now I'm going to prepare the dosa and then I will share with you. Today my kitchen is not dirty. See? So I'm just going to get the dosa batter out. I'm going to give it to share with my friends. That's why I have to make the dosa. So the dosa batter is here. So I make it at home. But now I didn't have time, so I'm just buying. I bought it and then I will make the dosa and I'll share with you. Yeah? Very fast I cook actually. Once you know what you're doing, I put it off. This is done actually. Yeah? I'll share with you more later. Bye Panasi. The bhajis come so nicely. Yeah? Bye friends. I will go to the reserve and this and I got 2-3 jobs today. So I'm just rushing. Bye.